Hi, so on this video I'm going to show you the Scrapbox kit that I've put together for you called Finding Paradise. This is a beautifully bright and exuberant kit. I think you're going to love it. So let's get straight on and have a look. So I'll walk you through the pages, the printed pages first. There's a lot of them, so I'm going to do them quite quickly. So that's probably my favourite page, so I'll do it first. There's two of everything. Who doesn't love a pink flamingo? And we have pink leaves. By the way, just to say, these are single-sided. That's why I'm not showing you the backs. That's got a kind of 60s retro feel to it, that one. We have lemons. Tropical tigers. One for the zoo, is it? Maybe. Or safari parks, or you're having an exotic holiday. I don't know. There's lots of different options. Palm tree leaves. And words. Okay. So that was, oh, hang on, there's another one. I missed one. That's the last set. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 22 printed pages you get in this kit. But you also get cardstock as well. So coordinating cardstock, because I don't want you to be mucking around looking for things that go together. So it's all in there ready for you to do. So light pink, dark pink, yellow, a beautiful, rich, I don't know, I'd call that orange. Some people might call it yellow. Dark yellow, maybe buttercup yellow, and a mid orange, and these are different, yeah, and another orange. So you get all of that in the kit too. Plus, you get a set of letters, because we need letters for the titling. You get a set of stamps. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stamps in there. You get some coordinating frames. Now, a little tip on this, if you don't like the design on the front, you can turn them over and you can make your own design on the back. You get a set of die cuts. There's all kinds of things in here, leaves and lemons, flamingos, all kinds of stuff. You get a large pack of glittery dots. Look at those. You get some random little houses. I'll be interested to see what you do with those on your pages. So there's a little set of chipboard houses. And finally, you get 4 stencils. So you get 2 letter stencils. And they've also got wavy edges on them that you can use for decorating with. And you get 2 pattern stencils. And this one, because there's a tiger on some of the paper, I put this one in there with little footprints on it. But you've also got all kinds of different patterns on there. So you've got 4 of those, and they're in the kit too. So it's a massive kit, that one. So Finding Paradise. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you, you also get the my page planner, blank page planner in there, which remember to copy it before you use it so that you've got extra copies to use, because you can make upwards of 10 double page layouts. You'll need more than one sheet rather than way down the parcel. If I give you one, you can copy it in your printer, and you also get a set of page layouts as well, so get you going. So everything comes in the kit. If you want to see it more closely, go over to memoriesandphotos.co.uk, click on my shop, click on Scrapbox kits, and if there's any available, you will find them in there. Now remember, the Scrapbox kits go out to club members first. They get a monthly kit as part of their membership, and as extra perks, they also get extra bits and pieces inside the kit that you don't get if you just buy a one-off. Additionally, they get 10% off of everything in the shop, and that includes my retreats too. So if there's something you might be interested in, hop over to the website, have a look, and you can find all the details about all the perks. I've mentioned them all. Go take a look. In the meantime, I would like to say happy scrapping and see you soon. Bye.